Welcome gangs, this is Introduction to C Programming Part 2. Here we'll be discussing about why a programming beginner should choose C programming language as his programming foundation language. Now, there are some things that you might want to know before jumping into C as your programming foundation. It's not that it's a fact and you should do that, because it has got some advantages to start with C. Now, if there in programming languages and programming world, there are many things that you have to consider. There are structure of the program, there are workflow of the program, there are algorithms of the program, there are syntax, there are keywords, there are many other simple things that build up a complete program. Starting from the simple thing makes our life easier when we move into higher things. C programming was introduced in assembly level language and a little bit higher than that. That means it is simple, it is human readable, and it is not much difficult for us to begin learning. If we master in C, then it's within no time we could master in any other programming language that are based on C programming structures. Many programming languages these days are based on C structures. They use almost same syntax like the C. They also use the keywords. They have libraries, as the C also has standard libraries and many more things. Their program workflow and their program flow is also almost same. And now there's an advantages at this point. If you could make a foundation of a bigger thing, then you can certainly make that foundation develop into something bigger. Like if I could make a foundation of a tall building, then I could make that tall building if I had the foundation only. C is like that foundation. If you can program in C, then you can other higher level languages that are built in top of that, and many are built in top of that. Don't worry about that. Now the other thing is, it's like iron for manufacturing company. You can mold it yourself. Like I could use C program and code to make another program. That program then stands like a programming platform for me, and I use that program for programming purpose. That's how C++ is made. C++ is made on top of C. It used C, it made C++, and then we can program inside C++, but we are actually programming inside C. Now that means you can make something from something else and make that something else to make something else. Sounds confusing, but you'll be getting that. Now it's circuit board level coding. That means you could have higher interaction with the hardwares, with the input output devices, with the processors and ICs and your machine than any other programming language. Due to this fact that it can directly interact with the hardware components, Unix adopted C as the major operating system programming language in the back days. Now after that, Linux adopted it, and we now have C Shell or something like that in Linux. And Microsoft also adopted in some part. It is also said that Microsoft used C++ also. Now that's many major operating systems are built on top of C, and that means C is our foundation of programming language. Have you heard of B? Have you heard of D? I don't think so, because they are not some great programming language. They were in their time, but not now. Everything that we mostly got now is built in top of C. Now C compiler was also made with C. You don't believe it, guys? Research it. Go to Google that term. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and welcome I'll be introducing you to real programming in C in the following next tutorial, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.